need my swag back from you nigga whenever y'all get that use it. My son come on, his bitch no word for word, now he getting abusive. These police that nigga be my splendid, these nigga came out of the sword. I heard that nigga got killed on the drill, that nigga went out like a doofy. Stop pad like a football player, still paper like I be Hoover. The police knew everything, I knew they'll send me with Larry Hoover. You know, still fuck my cousin, man, bro, tryna short up the family reunion. Doing shit that ain't been done yet, they tryna figure out how we do it. The plug just sent another box and they was gon' think we moving. Don't mention my name in none of those songs, nobody listen to it. This dead idea keep boosting my heart, need me a parachute. Your substance too like a carrot stick, turn nigga the vegetable. They say when I give you a limit, nigga made Beetlejuice. These bitch ass nigga can work for me, finna give you an interview. Nigga gon' get in your out Serena, spend $1,200 on tennis shoes. Bitch ass nigga don't come outside, leave nigga dead in the living room. I pre niggas throwing slip shots on the ground, they ain't bulletproof. If I gotta get out this car and use my feet, I'ma punish you. They say life ain't fun, ain't never went to the carnival. I keep losing all they dog, they irresponsible. I'ma need my swag back from you nigga whenever y'all get that use it. My son come on, his bitch no word for word, now he getting abusive. These police that nigga be my splendid, these nigga came out of the sword. I heard that nigga got killed on the drill, that nigga went out like a doofy. Stop pad like a football player, still paper like I be Hoover. The police knew everything, I knew they'll send me with Larry Hoover. You know, still fuck my cousin, man, bro, tryna short up the family reunion. Doing shit that ain't been done yet, they tryna figure out how we do it. I'ma need my swag back from you nigga whenever y'all get that use it. My son come on, his bitch no word for word, now he getting abusive. These police that nigga be my splendid, these nigga came out of the sword. I heard that nigga got killed on the drill, that nigga went out like a doofy. Stop pad like a football player, still paper like I be Hoover. The police knew everything, I knew they'll send me with Larry Hoover. You know, still fuck my cousin, man, bro, tryna short up the family reunion. Doing shit that ain't been done yet, they tryna figure out how we do it.